For April 2024, Athearn is pleased to announce our next run of the Athearn HO Scale Kenworth tractor. For this run, we're including the following paint schemes: the colorful Bicentennial scheme, as well as Pacific Intermountain Express, Canadian Great Western Express, and Montfort. Independent owner-operator rigs such as the two-tone blue and metallic teal and black, as well as the brown and cream and the metallic red rigs. These model trucks will go nicely with this month's 40-foot and 53-foot trailers that we're offering, and will look great on any HO scale layout or module. Pre-order these Athearn HO scale models through your Athearn dealer by Friday, April 26.